Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fetch data from API in Power BI. Alright, so let's begin. This is a powerful way to bring in real-time or frequently updated information for your reports and dashboards. Start by opening Power BI on your computer. Once you're on the main interface, look at the top ribbon and click on the Home tab. This is where most of the key actions begin. Next, find and click on the Get Data option. This feature allows you to connect to various data sources, including web-based ones. When the menu appears, search for or select the Web option since APIs are accessed through web links. After selecting Web, click Connect. A window will appear asking for a URL. This is where you'll paste your API endpoint, which is simply the web address that provides the data you want to use. Copy the API link from your source and paste it into the field, then click OK. Power BI will begin connecting to the API and retrieving the data. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the data and your connection speed. Once the data loads, you'll see a preview. Take a moment to review it and make sure it looks correct. If everything appears as expected, go ahead and load the data into your workspace. You've successfully connected Power BI to an API and imported live data. Keep in mind that some APIs may require additional setup like authentication or headers, but for many public APIs, this process works smoothly. And that's it. This is how you can fetch data from API in Power BI. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.